AMC just blew earnings out of the water. We have the numbers we're going to go over in this video. The earnings call is still about a half an hour away, so we'll be bringing you guys any information that comes out from that. But AMC is currently skyrocketing, up 7.3%. This is exactly what we've been calling out on this channel, and other people, quite frankly, have been neglecting, but some people have been calling this out as well. So we're going to go over the numbers. They absolutely crushed it, guys. Blew it out of the water. We're going to go over the expectations from analysts, what they thought AMC would do as far as revenue and earnings. We're going to go over what they just reported. So with that being said, guys, if I did not introduce myself, my name is Tyler. I'm a bit excited. Make sure to drop that like on the video, consider subscribing to the channel and turning on that notification bell so you'll be notified in real time when these videos are uploaded. So this is the earnings report that we just got from the company itself. We are going to read this to you guys. So as of June 30th, 2021, AMC operated 593 domestic theaters, representing 100% of its domestic theaters, and 335 international theaters, representing approximately 95% of its international theaters. The majority of international theater operations were suspended for the first 2 months of the second quarter and did not reopen until early June. Adam Aron, chairman and CEO of AMC, commented, "The second quarter of 2021 was transformational for AMC. We raised yet another $1.25 billion of new equity capital before commissions and fees in the quarter, boosting our quarter-ending liquidity to more than $2 billion, including cash and undrawn revolving lines of credit, which is about double the previous highest ever such mark in AMC's 101-year history. We believe this gives AMC financial staying power to navigate boldly amidst coronavirus waters. And by June 30th, substantially all of our theaters were open again to entertain and delight all our guests. Thanks to increased vaccination counts in the counties we serve, we started to see rising movie-going demand, and we're safely welcoming more than 22 million guests back to our theaters across the globe during the course of the second quarter. New blockbuster films released during the quarter drove successive new pandemic era box office numbers, and fortunately for us, our guests returned to our theaters. They splurged on our food and beverage offerings, which admittedly is quite a high margin business. At the same time, we delightedly manage our costs in every aspect of our operations. These actions produced financial results in the quarter that were considerably well ahead of our own and third-party expectations." Aaron added, "AMC's journey through the pandemic is not finished, and we are not yet out of the woods. However, there are still no guarantees as to what the future will bring in a still infection-impacted world. One can look ahead and envision a happy Hollywood ending to the story. We would like to think that someday when a movie is filmed about AMC and COVID, its title will be one compelling word: recovery, but only time will tell." Aaron concluded, "It is worth noting that our sheer will to drive through this COVID-19 crisis clearly resonated amongst those who were committed to our survival, because seeing movies in theaters has been a central part of the cultural fabric of society, the world, for over decades and decades and decades. There are many people who shared our passion that movie-going at our theaters should continue for future generations. Accordingly, we are ever so grateful to the friends and allies that AMC has gathered along the way. They can take comfort in knowing that we will rebuild our company. Our deeper cash reserves allow us to stay the course, to innovate again, and to capitalize on opportunities around us. In short, as the largest movie theater operator in the world, AMC is playing on offensive again." Take a look at these numbers, guys. Let's first take a look at the expectations from analysts. According to Seeking Alpha, and these are pretty much in a range, right? It says analysts expect the company made revenue of more than $382 million. We seen on the low end $341 million from Zacks consensus models. On the high end, $382 million in the second quarter. That will be almost double the $182 million that it made in the previous quarter. With costs rising, the company is expected to lose 96 cents per share. Let's take a look at this, guys. They made $444.7 million worth. That is over a $100 million beat. That is a 25% or more beat from most of these analysts. And if we do take a look at the loss per share, only 71 cents as a loss per share. Huge difference in expected numbers and what they actually performed, guys. This is the big beat that we have been waiting for right now. We're finally getting confirmation of this. Now, This is really good in and of itself. Obviously, like I've been talking about in all these videos, if you see a big beat, you're gonna have a positive price reaction, and that is exactly what we're seeing, up almost 10% right now, 9.5%, breaking, about to break that $37 price point. We just broke that. It is quite volatile right now. People are seeing these numbers and they are blown away. I am quite frankly blown away by the numbers they just provided to us. But nevertheless, the earnings call is going to be very important. We're going to have to see what kind of guidance, what further innovation they are doing for the company. But these numbers are absolutely incredible. I wanted to rush this video and get it to you guys as soon as possible. Maybe you can make a trade in after hours, whatever you guys want to do. That is up to you. But it looks like everything we have been calling out on this channel has been correct. So congratulations to all of you guys. That's going to do it for this video. We'll be back after the earnings call to give you guys any further information you need to know. Drop that like on the video, comment down below, what do you think about this earnings beat? I am blown away, if you can't tell, as well as subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell. Also check out the links down below in the description. We have a link for Public, Webull, and the buy and sell alert, so you'll be notified every time I make a trade on AMC or any other stock like we did by the dip today. So I'll say this again, congratulations, and I will see you guys after the earnings call.